Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 29, DF Robot, Display, MK11. Adafruit Sharp Memory Display Breakout, 1.3168x144 Monochrome. The 1.3168x144 Sharp Memory LCD display is a cross between an e-ink, e-paper, display and an LCD. It has the ultra-low power usage of e-ink and the fast refresh rates of an LCD. This model has a gray background, and pixels show up as black on gray for a nice e-reader type display. It does not have a backlight, but it is daylight readable. For dark/night reading you may need to illuminate the LCD area with external LEDs. The bare display is 3V powered and 3V logic, so we placed it on a fully assembled tested breakout board with a 3V regulator and level shifting circuitry. Now you can use it safely with 3V or 5V power and logic. There are 4 mounting holes so you can easily attach it to a box. The display is write-only, which means that it only needs 3 pins to send data. However, the downside of a write-only display is that the entire 168x144 bits must be buffered by the microcontroller driver. That means you cannot use this with an 8N328 or 8N32U4. You must use a high RAM chip such as ATSM21, TNC3, ESP8266, ESP32, etc. On those chips, this display works great and looks wonderful.
The controller Firefly Plus expressive, date and time here, battery here, the memory here, and this good here, and display here. So this and LEDs here. This sensor here, battery here, and around here, and this sensor here in 5 seconds, and that's it, like this, and another one. So perfect. Now the project here, display here, the Arduino programming here, the pins for Fireflies here, and tools here. So here, Fireflies here, battery here, date and time here, pins for memory here, LEDs, and now the symbol and the temperature and the humidity, and here the Me computer and see the here. So now this the project and this prompt, because write on this and this the prompt one this for unique for the this, so another one may change and another one, so it's good. Wire here, beacon here, date and time here, memory here, and display here. This date and time, the select memory here and the memory here. So good. Let's here and here. The temperature, humidity here, and this, and device here, and the temperature, humidity here. This, the from this here, version here, and now date and time here, the scan here, the temperature, humidity here, delay here, and the date and time in this, the display here, cards here, and this, and 1 second here. So good. The scan here and the result here. So good. The display here and this here, this look like this version and prom here, and that's it. Text here for this, date and time, temperature, humidity, and that's it. Prom here and read the display here. This setup for this here, date and time. So this now and date and time. This card here set up is good or bad, and this and this, and this unique here, version, date and time, and temperature, humidity, and that's it. And append here and this. So this and this and append here. So pat and this and append, and that's it. Temperature, humidity here, this here, and that's it. Now the setup here, this prompt for here, temperature, this good, delay here, setup here for setup here, setup here, and setup here, the scan, date and time, and cards here. This setup for cleaning here, and this clean, and this, the pins and pins, and and here, delay here, look back at this version, this, and that's it, and 1 second here, and that's it. Now the memory here, and that's it. This LED is so good, and here 20 seconds, and this the date, time, and the here the humidity and temperature. So this is good. See this fine, and the temperature, humidity, date and time. So this, and here 1 second, whoop, and that's it. So now the the date and time here, and this now the computer and see the date and time in this. Perfect. Now the memory for the memory for electronics here, the F-Swift here, and now the here, the perfect here, and now the this here, this first unit here, so this same thing here, version here, and now date and time, temperature, humidity, and this I think 2 or 3 days, and this the perfect for the date and time in this. Perfect. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.